1.3 million views, 2.1 million views, 2.3 million views. Get ready, because today, in just under 10 minutes and with one prompt, I'm revealing the simplest way to create a video for your own faceless YouTube channel. No expertise needed. There are an enormous amount of channels like these, completely faceless and earning hundreds of thousands of dollars each week in YouTube shorts and videos. What if I told you you can do the same thing, making viral content effortlessly? You can talk about what you love, like health, motivation, finance, or tech, keeping your privacy, and still be a big hit. With a single click, we'll zoom through everything, from crafting a perfect script, snagging the right stock footage, securing a pro-level, human-like voiceover, to popping on those crisp subtitles for your video. Your journey into creating engaging, faceless content starts right here, right now. Let's dive in and make video magic together. I'll even leave a link to the video we'll create together in the description below to see the results for yourself. Let's get set up. First, navigate to ChatGPT and click the three dots next to your profile name. Then, click on Settings and Beta. Go to Beta Features and enable plugins. But heads up, you can only use plugins with GPT-4, and that's in the paid subscription. After that, hit the plugin store, find InVideo, and click Install. Easy, right? Now let's make some videos. Hold up, InVideo. Sounds familiar, right? But wait for it. Did you know that InVideo dropped an awesome integration with ChatGPT less than a month ago? And guess what? No one's talked about it yet. That's right, you're getting the exclusive scoop right here on this channel. If you're nodding along thinking creative AI is about to flip the video making world upside down, then hit subscribe today and sail through this incredible universe together with me. Crafting and editing a video with zero skills, using just the ChatGPT prompts, is where dreams meet reality. Yes, it's unbelievably simple. Just toss in a prompt describing your video idea and watch it create a full-fledged video in mere minutes. But wait, there's more. You can tailor it to your heart's content. Speed up the intro, tweak the length, and even have it rewrite the script and adjust scenes on the fly. Control the music, swap the background score, dictate your voiceover vibe, and allow yourself to play around with your imaginative genius. Why use the ChatGPT plugin then, and not use the tool? Great question. It's all in the little details that no one talks about. Stick around and I'll show you a fascinating difference that will empower you to make a choice tailored to the kind of video you're crafting. Let's kick things off by signing up at ai.invideo.io and create your account first. You'll find the link waiting for you in the description below. Stick around because later in the video, I'll dive into the pricing structure and share my personal preferences and tips on what to use. Exciting insights are coming your way. Diving back into our ChatGPT prompt, we'll create a documentary-style video in the finance niche. After confirming our InVideo plugin is ready to roll, we will call the plugin in our prompt and ask it to create a YouTube video for us. Our focus today will be to craft a compelling video about the impact of Japanese housewives on global finance. ChatGPT is on the job, crafting a stunning description and settings that we'll send as a prompt to the InVideo software. Plus, we can save this text to use in our video description later. Let's have a little fun and switch the voice to a male with a Midwestern accent, keeping the tone both warm and informative. After tweaking the settings, we'll let the tool and ChatGPT continue doing their magic together. Clicking the link takes us straight into the tool. Keep in mind, the better the prompt for InVideo, the better our video will be. And that's where ChatGPT shines. It'll analyze the prompt, whip up a script, create scenes, and produce a voiceover for us. After that's done, let's play it for a quick second and check out the results.
Imagine a force so powerful it can sway the tides of the global foreign exchange market, a market that trades trillions of dollars daily.
If the script makes you happy, you'll see all the stock footage it picked for you based on that script. It's already looking fantastic. Just a note, if you want to remove the stock footage watermark when you export, you'll need at least a Plus subscription. More on that later. To tweak your video more, click Edit. You'll see Edit Media and Edit Script tabs at the top. If an image doesn't fit your story, just replace it. The tool will reprocess and make the needed changes. You could also use the prompt here to make fixes like increase volume, change scenes, etc. If you head over to the edit script, you should be able to make changes to the script, add a new chapter, modify an existing chapter, and many other things. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, go ahead and export your final product. Drop a comment below if you want me to make a video about different edits you can do using these prompts. Next up, if you're a pro at crafting prompts, you can use the tool directly without ChatGPT. Or get a prompt made in ChatGPT first, and then jump into InVideo to bring it to life. That makes sense, right? But hold on, there's something coming up you can't do with ChatGPT, hence the need to use the tool directly. First, choose your workflow from options like YouTube Shorts, explainers, recent events, or direct script to video. For our documentary, we'll pick a YouTube explainer and stick with creating a video about the impact of Japanese wives on global finance. We'll keep the duration to 5 minutes. Here's the key difference. If you're making a video and want to pull snippets from various websites, this tool can shape the script using references from an existing article. ChatGPT can't use external links for reference, which is a limitation. But ChatGPT does create awesome prompts, so if you don't need references, it's a solid choice. This will now summarize the article for you and generate a really nice script. It will then ask you the type of audience you would like to target, look and feel, etc. We now have our final product. We can follow the same process to edit this and make it our own, or upload it as is. I still like to make edits of my own for the places that I'm not a fan of, or if I find the content generated is not fully accurate. Remember, with non-fiction content, there can be inaccuracies that you will need to catch and fix. There's also a custom timeline editor for the more advanced folks, which is in beta and will be fully released soon. This will open up the tool to a wide variety of users, from absolute beginners to highly advanced professionals. All you need to do at this point is to upload your video, key in the descriptions, and hit publish. Discussing pricing, the tool gives you 10 minutes per week of video generation for free. However, if you want to export without having any watermarks, you would need to upgrade. I prefer the Plus version for $20 per month when paid annually, since it fits my needs for creating shorts. That gives me 50 shorts a month, which is roughly 2 shorts a day. I find the tool a bit limited for making lots of long-form videos, but it does really well with short-form ones. Remember, this is under active development and has a Discord group as well to communicate and ask questions, which I find super helpful. InVideo is taking the faceless YouTube industry by storm, revolutionizing it with a fantastic product, 24/7 live support, and a super helpful Discord group. The tool definitely has a bright future ahead, and I'm already a fan. Get a jump start before others and transform your ideas into a money-making machine with this tool. If you want to explore more ways to make money online, check out this playlist. Until next time, stay blessed.